gerekti bizlere Allah'a davetinde.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to another episode, Iftarers Around the World. I'm your host, Steve DeBlees, and my friend next to me is brother Serkan.
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 Yeah.
With an A, Serkan.
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 Before we start, I've got a Ertugrul hat for you.
Allahu Akbar, that's my favorite show, man.
That's Ertugrul.
Barakallahu fiqh.
Yeah. I actually got it from where Ertugrul is at the moment.
Wait, what do you mean where Ertugrul is at the moment? So you actually went to Turkey and got this hat?
Absolutely.
Okay, so let's eat, and inshallah you can tell me more about Ertugrul in Turkey, inshallah. Okay, where do we start? Is there an entree that we need to start with here?
Well, usually we start with soup in Turkey. You can have the soup breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Okay. Doesn't matter.
Allahumma barik, very nice. What's
Mashallah.
that? What's in it?
It's a bit of a lentil.
Crushed lentils.
Yeah, a bit of a lentil.
Yeah?
Yeah. You can have it like either with chili or, depends on how you want to eat it.
Oh, so you can put a bit of spices on top. There's a bit of oil with oregano or something.
Yeah.
Very nice, Allahumma barik. Sacha korma?
Saç kavurma. Yeah, it's not bad actually.
Yeah, sacha korma.
Yeah, saç kavurma, yeah.
It's chicken korma, similar to that?
Yeah, it's actually lamb.
Okay, lamb korma.
Yeah.
Bismillah. Oh, that looks nice, mashallah. Okay, what do you eat? Bread, spoon, fingers? What's the go? Tell us.
It depends on what you want to eat it with. You can either have it with bread, absolutely.
Bismillah, okay.
And this is called katmer.
Katmer.
Yeah.
Ain't spicy.
It is. Yeah.
That tastes something similar to like what we have, like a shawarma.
Yep.
Mixed spices,
Yep.
lamb or beef or whatever you want. They cut it in strips.
Absolutely, yeah.
Something similar, but you've done it in dices here, yeah?
Yep.
Okay.
Even the veggies are diced up.
Yep.
And they just sort of worked in with the meat.
Oh, brother, when I was there in 2017, I went to the famous masjid, which is the Blue Mosque.
Sultan Ahmed.
Sultan Ahmed. Allahumma barik. How beautiful is that masjid?
Oh, it's amazing.
Do you know much about that history of that masjid, when it was built?
I think
Who built it?
Yeah, Mimar Sinan, and they call the architect Sinan.
Yeah.
So he's just amazing. You can see all his mosques that he did, like all over the country. To be honest.
Oh, so he hasn't just built that masjid.
No.
There's masjids.
There's a lot more.
Oh,
and
wow.
Every masjid that he built, it's all different than one another.
Unique.
Yeah.
That was an amazing dish, mashallah.
Mate, I can go on that all day.
Absolutely, I can.
This one is, we call it karnı yarık, means open stomach.
Yeah. Was that a stomach you're gonna make us eat?
That's actually eggplant, which they sort of open up the eggplant and put some mince and vegetables in it.
Okay.
No
Okay.
problem,
With a
yeah.
spoon?
Oh, yeah.
Bismillah. The meat tastes similar to something like a spaghetti bolognese. You know that tomato taste, minced meat. It's got the nice spices in there. Very nice, mashallah. So tell us, brother, some history about Islam in Turkey. How long has Islam been in Turkey?
Well, Islam has been in Turkey or Anatolia for over 1,000 years.
Mashallah.
1,000 years, yeah. The first person that actually opened the doors to Anatolia, opened the doors to Turkey, was Alparslan.
Okay.
Okay, that was in 1071.
Allahu Akbar.
Yeah, so he was the guy that fought a lot of battles to go into where Anatolia is right here at the moment.
Okay. So what's the story about then Istanbul, the opening of Istanbul? Is that a different...
Absolutely, that was in 1453. Okay. So that's...
So about 300-400 years after that opening?
Absolutely, yes. That's
okay.
Right, that's right. Fatih Sultan Mehmed, he was the conqueror of Istanbul. It was just nothing overnight. It was an amazing event of history.
That was an amazing karnı yarık, brother. Mashallah, tabarakallah.
Mashallah, you're getting there, mate.
You know,
you're Turkish. After this, after you eat
I've done my DNA, brother. I can clearly say publicly and to world, I want to tell the world that I'm 27% Turkish.
How?
I did my DNA test, you know,
ancestry.
So my grandmother, her surname is Afyon. Afyoni.
Afyon.
Afyon.
Okay, there's a city called Afyon in Turkey.
Correct. Yes. So when they came to Lebanon, I don't know, 150 years ago, whatever,
yep.
they kept on saying, who are these people? Oh, they're from Afyon. So they called them, they're the Afyonis.
Okay.
So hence the name Afyoni arrived from there.
People from Afyon.
Correct.
Okay.
So there's a lot of Muslims, a lot of Turks
yep.
in Lebanon. Yeah, their background's Turkish, subhanAllah. So that's the orange bit. I don't know if that gives it away, a bit of Turkish. It's actually Turkish Caucasus.
Okay.
So on the borders of Russia as well, and Chechnya.
Yep. You sort of can pass like a...
Yeah, Khabib.
Yeah, mashallah.
All right, what's this?
Fasulye.
Now we got fasulye. You've stolen that from us, Arabs.
Yeah, did we?
Yeah, because we've invented fasulye.
But we do it better, don't we?
Well, let's have a try.
Okay,
let's do this. Bismillah.
With this one,
yeah,
you can actually have it with a lot of meat, with chicken and with meat.
Oh, so it's a side dish with you eat meat with it, and obviously. Okay.
But you know how we really have this one?
How?
We have it on top of the rice. We call it. You know what we call it? Pilav üstü kuru.
So you have it with rice, huh? I'll give you some rice.
Thank you.
Yeah. I'll get some rice for myself as well. Let's try this with the rice. Bismillah. Serkan, the food that you bring out was amazing, Allahumma barik, but the favourite part here is obviously the sweets.
Afiyet olsun.
Sorry?
Yemeğin barakallahu fik.
Barakallahu fik. Wa fik barak, inshallah. I think I know what this is. It's the bottom part of the tanjara, and they flip it.
What is a tanjara?
Pot.
Okay.
Is that what it is?
Yeah. No.
What is it? Tell us.
Okay. The one you're talking about is kazandibi. That's a different type of sweet.
Oh, it's like the custard. It's similar to a custard,
That's
yeah?
right.
But it's got that finish on top as well.
Yeah. Well, because this is an oven finish.
Okay.
Right? This is rice pudding.
And it's in the clay, sort of a...
Yeah, they
bowl?
specifically make it in clay to put in the oven again, so they can have that brownie look on top.
Subhanallah. Okay, let's dig in. Bismillah. Serkan.
Bismillah.
Yalla, let's do this. Hands down, wallahi, I'm not just saying this, it was on camera. This is very, very nice. Allahumma barik.
Can you
oh, wow.
taste it from like the oven taste as well with it?
Yes. That's what gives it that unique taste. We don't have that taste. It's straight rice pudding. It's got that rose water in there.
Yeah.
But this is unbelievable, subhanAllah.
This is beautiful.
Oh, wow. Guys, you're missing out. What's this called again?
Sütlaç.
Sütlaç. Let's have some tea. Then we'll go
let me pour it for you, bro.
Yeah, please. Why is there two?
Okay, I'll explain. So this is the real tea.
Yep.
You brew the tea. You put all the tea in.
Yep.
You brew it nice and slowly.
And what are we having today? Is it just normal tea?
Just normal black tea.
Okay.
Look at this. Look at the colour.
Oh, wow, mashallah.
Okay, we go halfway.
Yep.
All right? Because it's going to be too strong.
Okay.
Then we add the boiling hot water.
Tayyib.
Look at that.
What's the point of having two? Why don't we just do this weak instead of doing it strong?
Some people might not like too strong, and some people, it depends on the taste.
Okay, makes sense. Is there a way to hold this? I know some people get offended if you hold it that way, that way.
No, it's
that way.
Just don't burn your hand.
Bismillah.
Yep, and just have it like that.
Ya wallah.
But when you're having the Turkish tea, you're gonna make that sound.
Is there? What's this?
That's Turkish delight. Lokum.
Lokum.
Yeah, we call it lokum. Ah.
Can we have one?
Of course, you can have one.
Lokum.
It goes very nice after beautiful iftar,
100%. Oh, that Turkish delight is amazing. Serkan, thank you so much for bringing over the food.
You're welcome. You're welcome, brother.
But before we go,
yes,
I heard that you got a very nice voice. Maybe you can share some nice nasheeds with us, inshallah. Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time this evening, please put your hands together for Serkan.
طلع البدر علينا من ثنيات الوداع وجب الشكر علينا ما دعا لله دا
طلع البدر علينا
من ثنيات الوداع وجب الشكر علينا ما دعا لله دا.
MashaAllah, brothers and sisters, give this guy a clap. Thank you very much for watching another episode here on the OnePath Network. Don't forget to follow, like, and don't forget to subscribe, inshallah. Let us know what you want us to see us do next in the comment section below. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. If you really enjoyed this video, please support us by clicking on the links below. Give us a small contribution, it will go a long way, inshallah. Visit our website, www.onepathnetwork.com. Jazakallahu khairan.